Hi, everyone. Today I'm going to walk through the process of posting an open position on North State Jobs for the employer. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to this website, which is afwd.org/employers. That will bring you to this page that you see on my screen. Then you're going to scroll down until you see this option for post a job. You're going to click on that and it'll bring up this page asking if you're ready to post a job. Find the green tab in the middle that says continue to North State Jobs and click on that. It'll bring up a new page for the actual North State Jobs website. And this is where you're going to post your job at. So you're going to scroll down and start filling in the blanks. The first one you're going to want to do is the job title. And what we're going to use for our demonstration today is a receptionist position. You always want to select the job region for where the job is going to be posted. If it is a job that is going to be in multiple places, you can select multiple regions. But for our purposes today, we're going to say this job is in Lassen County. It automatically fills the job type as a full-time position. If it is not a full-time position, you can click the little X here and then just click in this box and choose which one it is. If it's a part-time position or if it's an on-call position, you would just choose which one it is. Job category is a mandatory category. You can click on that and choose from the drop downs, or you can start typing in and see if your category is there. In the description box, you're going to put everything that you want the job seeker to know about your job. So for today's purposes, I have put it in here so that I could copy and paste. So what I've included in mine is the job description, what the duties and responsibilities are, what the minimum qualifications are, and what the preferred qualifications are. Just put those in that box. Then scroll down to where it talks about the position salary, hourly, or commission. This is not a mandatory box. However, we do find that job listings with a wage range on them do typically get about 70% more interest than job postings that do not have a wage range on it. So we do encourage you to put it on there. So for mine, I'm going to say it's an hourly position. Their minimum hourly range, we're going to say is $16 and their maximum is going to be $20. If you did choose salary instead of hourly, you would leave these two boxes blank and you would put your salary range in here, just like their example is. If you have a closing date or a date that you want applications turned in by, you would put that here in this box. When you click on it, it will bring up a calendar. You just scroll through, pick the date that you want your applications in by, and it will fill it for you. After that date or on that date, the listing will automatically end in North State Jobs. Scroll down in the city, state, and zip code. This is going to be where the duties of the position are performed. So my position is going to be in Susanville. As you see, when I started typing it, it brought down the list. So once you start typing it, you can just click on that. Any minimum education and experience that you have required for your position, you can add in here. I'm going to say mine has a high school diploma is required, and they have to have 6 months of experience. Is a driver's license required? You can add that there if so, but it is an optional box, so you don't have to put anything. Same with the accessible by public transportation. You have any hiring requirements, you can put that in these two boxes. In the application process box, you will have to include an email. So put an email for where the application should go. And then in the how to apply box, that is an optional box. However, if you want applications to go somewhere specific, or if you have any details or how people should get an application, that should go in this box. So from our purposes today, I'm just going to copy this and put it right in there. Maybe. So this is just telling people to apply, go to the website, fill out the employment application, return it to the office at this address. If you have any questions, you can call this phone number, and they're due by this day and time. Things such as that. Again, that is optional. You do not have to put it in there. Company name is required. So put your company name in there. If you would like to put any description of your company, you can add that in this tagline or in the description box. If you'd like to upload a video of some sort, you can put the link here. If you'd like to direct people to your website, your Facebook, your Google, your LinkedIn, or your Twitter, you can put those links here. Contact information about the position is what you should put in this box down here. Same with the email and a phone number. Once you're done, you're going to save it. And preview. Once you preview it, it'll pull it up. This is exactly what people are going to see when they go to North State Jobs. So it has all your position description down here, shows it's full-time, it's a receptionist, and all your details down at the bottom. So it makes it really easy for them to see. Up at the top is your title, where it's at, when it closes, company name. If you're happy with that, you can go ahead and click submit listing. If you want to make any changes, click edit listing, make the changes, and then submit it again. Once you hit submit listing, you're going to see a box pop up that tells you that your job is submitted successfully, and it will be visible once it's approved. At that point, the business services representative in your county will get an email telling them that a new job has been posted. They will go in, look at your job, and approve it. And then at that time, it will be published for the public on the North State Jobs website. If you have to make any changes to the posting once it's been published, you'll have to contact your business service representative, and they will have to make those changes for you. And that's it. You're done. Thank you so much.